Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary is the haven for migratory and domestic birds. There are other animals such as turtles, reptiles, and antelopes coexist. You can even sight leopard and wildcats. The acoustics lives are equally fascinating, but during flood, the authorities keep the sanctuary shut for visitors for the safety of the wild creatures.
Thank you very much, Khandelwal Hotel, where I had a good sound sleep last night. And now I'm heading to Bharatpur. These are my friend. You are the manager there?
Manager.
He is the manager.
Dono.
Dono managers. Okay, both managers had a good time with me, and ever grateful to them. Wish you good luck, prosperity in your personal life as well as your business, and bless me to complete 28 states within the stipulated time, that is December 30th. Yeah, thank you very much once more. I'll just show you the preview of the hotel. Na? Ha. This is Hotel Khandelwal. Hotel Khandelwal. I reached to Toll Plaza on the way to Bharatpur. I just crossed 10 kilometer. Now I have another 50 kilometer to reach Bharatpur, and here is a dawa where I'll have my breakfast. So I got some bananas today, luckily some fruit. I got fresh water and some biscuit I'll munch after the banana, and maybe a cup of tea as well. See you soon. Yeah, I got two friends who are biking from Ayodhya to somewhere. I don't know. Anyway, it's a short distance, not like the whole country. Okay.
He's my friend Shivam.
Okay.
We belong from Ayodhya and we are headed towards the Khatu Shyamji, and then we are backing towards
Khatu Shyam.
Ayodhya.
Only one place you've been there.
One place, and now also to visit Balaji Maharaj.
Balaji Maharaj. Okay.
And also we are going today back.
You had some wish to fulfill or just for fun?
for Prarthana.
Okay, for prayer. Achha, achha. Okay, thank you. Pleasure
Okay,
meeting
sir.
you guys.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
While riding to Bharatpur, it's still another 30 kilometers away. The road, one side of the road, left side, exceptionally beautiful lines of trees. I can't say vista because it's only one side. The other side is acacia. I'll show you acacia on the other side, continuous. And it's about 15 kilometers, I have noticed. Uniform size, dark color leaves. And today weather is very bright and they are spectacular on the sunshine. Too beautiful, magnificent, true power of the nature, energizing. That's why I thought of showing you them. The other side, very thin quantity of acacia tree, but they were thick size also before. I'll show you the thicker portion ahead. Let's continue. Just another 12 kilometers away from Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary, I will be there. Now I stopped here under few big trees where local folks come for tea and have their relaxation. So I'll also spend few minutes here, sip water, followed by tea, and then proceed to Bharatpur Birds Sanctuary. it's really annoying the UNESCO heritage site, which is anthropologist or the bird sanctuary, does not have the demarcation on the road. From the highway, when I turned back, it was about 2 kilometers. वहाँ लिखा था. Then I entered in. 5 किलोमीटर आने के बाद भी कहीं साइन बोर्ड ही नहीं है. ऐसे ही चलता रहा. But my annoyance has gone off when I had a beautiful, very delicious, tasty पानी पूरी. इसको क्या बोलते हैं यहाँ आप लोग? हैं? टिकलिया. It has a very good decorated piece. They have curd and a spice and sweetened masala and some kind of sauces. आपका नाम क्या भाई साहब? राजकुमार जी, थैंक यू वेरी मच मूड अच्छा करने के लिए. नहीं तो मुझे रास्ता भटक गया था. पता ही नहीं चला. दिस सेज राज्य में भारी वर्षा के देखते हुए जान माल आदि की सुरक्षा के दृष्टिगत आगामी 7 दिवस 13 अगस्त टू 19 अगस्त तक राज्य के सभी नेशनल पार्क, टाइगर रिजर्व, वन्यजीव उपनयन, बर्जीशीन रिजर्व, पर्यटन गतिविधियाँ, फिल्माकरण एवं रिजर्व प्रभाव से बंद किया जाने का आदेश प्रसारित है. इट इज़ इशूड बाय P.K. उपाध्याय, प्रधान मुख्य वन संरक्षक. Okay, this sanctuary is closed, so I'm not lucky. Great pleasure talking to you. It's an opportunity to get to know about you, and it would be fortunate for us to let you know about Keolado National Park. Something I want specifically about the migratory birds and the domestic species. Please, Ashok ji.
Hi everyone, my name is Ashok. I am a naturalist here, working here in Keolado National Park. This Keolado National Park is very popular place for birds. It looks like this is the paradise of the birds and for the bird watchers also.
Yeah.
This park is famous for the migratory birds.
Yeah.
I mean the Siberian birds. They are coming from Mongolia, Russia, Siberia, Central Asia and Europe. Mostly very good birding season here from October to March.
I see.
In this season you have often to see a lot of migratory birds in which
Yes.
like some cranes, spoonbills, egrets, herons, pelicans, flamingos, a lot of different varieties of ducks, and we have also
Ducks, flying but ducks. Okay, swan, which you call in
we
yeah.
have also big owls, night birds. We have
Owls.
very rich wetland here.
Okay.
This is also declared by the UNESCO as
UNESCO
World
Heritage
World
Center.
Heritage Site.
Yeah.
It is one of the popular place for the bird watchers and bird photographers.
Okay.
Even we have migratory birds and local migratory birds.
Okay.
This time of the year in raining season, we have beautiful nesting bird here.
Yeah, unfortunately
Like
closed now
storks,
because of the.
tigers, egrets, herons. Very good nesting around here.
Acha, okay.
Come here in the park. It's a better time in winter season.
Okay,
You can see
okay.
a lot of different varieties of the birds here.
I'll take care next
Beside
time.
of the birds, we have some animals.
Yes.
And which like spotted deer, summer deer, jackals,
Okay.
antelope, summer deer, wild goats, hyenas.
Other animals as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
And as well, we have also some reptiles.
Reptiles.
We
Okay.
found here around 14 different varieties of reptiles.
Okay.
14.
Auto created or they are wild or.
They're wild.
Okay, not imported.
No. And we have 3 poisonous snakes.
Oh,
We
dangerous.
have cobra,
Cobra.
common cobra, naja, and
Naja.
we have a crate,
Okay.
common crate, and Russell's viper.
Okay.
And then we have also like a mongoose, lizard, water snake.
Oh.
And we have a very big snake here, which is we call the python.
Okay.
Indian rock python.
Do you have crocodile?
Oh, sorry, we don't have crocodiles, but
Okay.
we have a very big turtles inside the park.
Big means what's the size?
Big size, like this size.
Oh. If it is open, we can see that.
Yeah, of course you can see.
Okay. I see. One critical question.
Sorry?
One critical question.
Yeah.
Like zoos are conserved or protected by human, and some are natural habitat like conservatory. This is a sanctuary. Now, are they keeping them in the cages, some birds and animals, or they are automatically inhabited of their own?
No, they're living their own habitat here.
Oh.
They're living in freedom. They're free inside.
Okay, so you do not cage them.
No.
Oh,
They're not
fantastic! Really
in- they're not
fantastic.
free inside.
Okay, Ashok ji, fantastic
Thank you
talking.
very much.
Yes. Wish you all the best for your prosperous conservation. Bharatpur town has vibrancy. I have come here to locate one accommodation, preferably Dharamshala. Tomorrow is Raksha Bandhan, so there are a lot of sweets being sold there. इसका नाम क्या बेटा? घेवर. सारे घेवर ही है ना? ये भी घेवर. क्या रेट है इसका? 260 किलो. और ये 300 रुपये. पैकेट में भी आता है?
पैकेट में भी आता है।
अच्छा, आपका नाम?
राजकुमार नाम है हमारा।
राजकुमार, बहुत अच्छा लगा आपका सामान देख के। ये तो रक्षाबंधन में ये
रक्षाबंधन
में खाया जाता है, राइट?
सिस्टर भाई के लिए घेवर खिला दिया राखी।
ओके, ब्रदर फीड द सिस्टर एंड सिस्टर गेट सम गिफ्ट फ्रॉम द ब्रदर, राइट? क्या नाम बेटा? हाँ, विशाल, बहुत अच्छा। विजय मोबाइल पॉइंट। अच्छा, मोबाइल की दुकान में ये अलग ना, ये दुकान अलग है। Almost all the vegetables are same in the market. You see garlic and local नाम क्या बताया इसका? सखोरे, तकोड़े जी, तकोड़े। कैसे किलो दिया ये? 120 किलो। अच्छा, हाँ जी, एक सेकंड।
The best season to visit this Bharatpur sanctuary is the winter months. Make it a point to bring your binoculars to watch nesting of the birds and sprinting of the deers and monkeys. Please like, share and comment on our cycle journey and the spots we show. This is Sumit Rathik from Mumbai. Wish you all the best on Raksha Bandhan.